please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting latest updated videos. My name is Bhavesh Parmar, and in today's session we are going to discuss anchor tag, which is used for linking the given web page with other web page. But before starting this topic, let me take the review of our previous session. In previous session we have studied table tag, attributes of table tag, then supporting tags like caption tag, tr, th, td, thereafter attributes of th tag, td tag, that is row span, call span, and we have also seen so many examples related to HSC board exam. So friends, in today's session we start hyperlink tag, which is very important, and it is represented by a tag. A tag stands for anchor tag, and generally this tag is used to link our given web page with any other web page in the website. So it is a pair tag and its companion tag is /a, and there is one special attribute is used, and the name of attribute is href. So this href indicates hypertext reference. Hypertext reference. So now guys, what is the syntax for a tag? So syntax is a href is equal to, in double quotes you have to mention the path, double quotes complete, tag complete, and here you have to mention the connecting text and then /a. So what happened guys, what is the use of this connecting text? Means this is a mediator text, means whenever I am going to see in my web page, this text will display in blue color followed by underline, and whenever I am going to move the mouse pointer over this text, it will show you a link, and whenever I am going to click on this text, then what happen? It will open the path mentioned by href. So in this way, text is used for this connection between our normal web page with other web page. So how we are going to connect? So suppose this is my web page a.html, and this is my another web page b.html. So guys, what I want to do, I want to link this a.html with this b.html. So how can I do it? So for that purpose I have to use this a tag in this program. Means whenever I am going to write down the program in notepad, so I must mention a href is equal to, in double quotes you have to mention b.html, and here you have to mention click here, then /a. So this kind of text is available in this a.html code. So means what happen, whenever we are going to see this page in web browser, click here, text appear somewhere here, and whenever I am going to click on this text, then what happen, it will open this b.html page. So this is the actual use of hyperlink, means it connects the given web page with another web page. So same thing, we can connect multiple web pages also. Suppose if I have this c.html, this d.html, and what I need to do, I want to link this a.html with all these three pages. So in that case, what happen? One a tag is used for linking a new page. Now similarly, I have to use this a tag two more times. So that's why I can connect c.html as well as d.html. But you keep one thing in your mind, whenever you mention the path, it should be in proper way. Why guys? Because if the path is not mentioned correctly, means whenever we are going to click on that text, then what happen? Page cannot be displayed. This type of error appears on your screen. And why is it so? Because due to failure of this path, means that particular path is not located by your web browser. So that's why it will generate an error message on your screen. So guys, whenever we use this, we should keep the correct path while writing in the program. So this is regarding about A tag. So now guys, how many types of hyperlinks are there? So there is always one theory question asked in HSC board examination for 3 marks. What is hyperlink? Which tag is used to represent a hyperlink? And how many types of hyperlinks supported by HTML? So guys, this type of question asked for 3 marks. So in that question, what they expect from us? So generally, we mention the usage of a tag, means how to use a tag, and then we have to describe all the 3 different categories in short with example. So now we see one by one. So there are 3 types of hyperlink. So in that, my first type is link a page to www. Link a page to www means what happened? In this case, we have to study our web page link with worldwide website. Means we can connect with any website, but note that whenever we use this facility in the program, there must be internet connection to be on. Why? Because you will get the exact result with this www. So how to do this, that we will see later on in the same video. Then second type of this hyperlink attribute is link a page by image, or you may also call it image by image link. So in this case, what we are trying to do, in this case we are using one image as a hyperlink. Means what? Image will be displayed in your web page, and whenever I am going to click on that image, what happen? It will play intermediator between another page. So whenever I am going to click on that image, it will open another image in different window. So it is called image by image link. So how can we use it? I will show you by example also. Then we discuss third type of link. Link a page with document. Link a page with documents. So what happened guys in this case? So generally we are trying to do our HTML page link represents some different format of text, or you can say that different kind of file. So we can link media file, that is MP3, MPEG, MP4, AVI. So these multimedia files we can link with our web page. And even though some documentation files is also supported, that is .doc, .txt, .ppt, .xls, .pdf, and so many files are linked with our document. So it is these facilities provided by HTML to us. So now what we are trying to do guys, we have studied these 3 different types. So let me take the short review. First one, link a page to www. In this case, what happened? I am going to link my web page with website, and as I told you earlier, in that case there must be an internet connection on to show the output of this www. So what is the example for this? So we are going to see the example. So for that purpose I am going to write down a href is equal to, in double inverted comma you have to write down https : / then www, and then suppose if I am writing google.com, double quotes complete. So this is my path, and here I am going to write down the text, click here and /a. So what happened? This type of text display in my web page, and whenever I am going to click on this text, click here, then what happened? It will open google.com website. So means our web page directly link with this website Google, and it will show you on screen. So in this case, we can also connect multiple websites with our document. Suppose if I want to insert another website also, so how can I write? So I can write like this: Ahref is equal to https://www.facebook.com, double quotes complete, and here I am going to write down Facebook and /a. So you can guys mention any kind of text. So this text work as a hyperlink, means whenever I am going to click on this text, then what happen? It will open this hypertext reference path. But note guys, this address should be proper. Means if you are not going to mention it properly, then it will show you the error message, page cannot be open, or connectivity problem is there. So this is the example related with this link a page to www. Now we are going to discuss the second type of example, link a page by image link. So guys, how to do this? So in this case, what I am trying to do, I'm writing the example like this: Ahref is equal to image.jpg, and the text is like this: img src image1.jpg and /a. So what happened guys in this case? So I have used a tag, hypertext reference, and this is my path. So in this path, instead of giving website or any other web document, I am used image. So this is the path that I am going to mention in double inverted comma, and in linking text I have mentioned one image, img src image1.jpg. So this is hypothetical one. So what you can do, you can find out the image in your computer and mention the exact path. So what happened in this case? So this image will display on your screen, and whenever I am going to click on this image, what happen? It will open this another image. So this is called what guys? Image by image link. So this is one example. I am going to link one image with another image. You can link multiple images within the document. Now guys, we switch on to our third type, link a page with documents. So in this case, what we are trying to do, we can connect the different types of documentation files with our web page. So how can we do it? So I will show you one example. Ahref is equal to document.pdf, suppose. So this type of file I want to open. This is my message. Click here, and this is /a. So what happens when user click on this particular text? Click here. So what it will try to do? It will open this PDF file. And if you are using Google Chrome, then this document.pdf file automatically downloaded on your download section. So you can easily visualize this. So in this way, I can link multiple types of files with my web page. So these are the three basic types. So when this type of question asked in your examination, so you need to explain in short, but there must be example is there. When you write down the example, so it is more clear to you, and it is also clear for examiner, means the student exactly got the particular idea. So guys, let me see one simple practical related with this hyperlink. And for HSC board examination point of view, there is one practical related with this hyperlink. So this practical I have linked later on this video. So you guys please focus that practical and try to do by your own. So before that, we see one simple example. So in that case, what is my first step? I am going to open Notepad. In Notepad, I am going to save that file with a.html, and in this a.html what I am trying to do, I'm just write down the code. So this is my code, then slash head, then I'm going to start body, and here I'm going to mention some color. Suppose if I'm using this pink, and I'm not going to write anything directly, I'm using a tag ahref is equal to b.html double quotes complete, and in front of that I'm going to mention the text. Click here for next page, and then I'm closing this anchor tag, then slash body slash html. So this is my first page. After writing this page, I'm going to save this program with a.html. Now what we need to do, again I have to open a new fresh file from Notepad, and in that file I'm going to save that file with b.html extension, and again in that b.html section you have to write down the code for b.html file. In body I am going to write down this is b.html slash body slash html, and I have to save this code with b.html. Then you have to close both the files, open my documents or the drive where we are going to save this program. You have to open a.html program. After opening this program, just click here for next web page. Text appears with blue color followed by underline, so it represents hyperlink. So whenever we are going to move the mouse pointer over here, and if I'm going to click left click of my mouse button, then what happen, it will open b.html. Means generally what happen, we have opened one page, but through this link we can visit from one page to another page with the help of this a tag. So in this way I can also link c.html, d.html, f.html. We can link n number of links by using a tag in my document. So I hope you guys got this idea, this concept, how to use a tag in a web page very clearly. So in this video I'm going to upload the third practical, which is related with your HSC board, creating a website by using hyperlink. So the question and the program is uploaded in the video, so you guys please watch it carefully and try to perform by your own. So till guys, enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching this video.